Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, good morning, friends and teachers. For today, we are going to present to you our source code in Def C for looping. My name is Irvin Zavdiel. I'm right here.
My name is Ahmad Deano. I'm right here.
Rafly here, Ahmad Rafly.
So this will be you. Now you will see our source code. So as you can see in the source code, this is our source code that we created during these days. So it includes around 180 lines. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about the library that we use. So the library that we use is IOStream and include string. This is the two main libraries that we use. So for the first class, is we call it class jurusan. For our project title is online bus ticketing, or ticketing machine in a bus station that you can insert your money into and get immediate tickets. So the first class is called class jurusan. This is where in the bus station where you will go to your designated bus station. So right there is the public class, and then the first case is that first ticket will be rated 5,000, second ticket will be rated 10,000. The first ticket for 5,000 will be rated for going to Pasar Minggu. The second 10,000 rated will go to Pasar Senen. Third rated for 6,000 will go to Pasar Rebo, and the fourth and last is 12,000 with rated will be going to Depok. So in here, as you can see, this is what will be displayed in the screen later on, and here is what we choose as the number. So, and then the second one is that the class bus. This is the type of bus or the class that you want to use it. So the first one is for the first bus is that you can see the public is that this is the public, this is the code, and as usual every class you will see this is what will be displayed later on in the display, and then this is what you will input for the scenario. So, and then the first case is that for example we call it Tayo Biru, and the bus expenses is 5,000. The second one is Kencana Surya for 6,000, and the third case is Bis Garuda going to for 10,000. Next will be explained by Rafly.
Next class we have class is where we store the class for the bus 4. So in here we have class here and string. So there's from and switch case for the customer to choose class. Next we have penumpang class. In here we store the function for the amount of seat that customer want to buy. Next we have total class. This class is where all of the amount of money that customer have to pay stored in here. All the functions in get total function used to sum all of the all of the costs from ticket, bus, and class times seat amount of seat that customer buy.
Uh, this is a main class from our source code. First, we code the total class, but we change total class with object pass. Why? Because we will call many function in this class in this main. We use the object pass get jurusan, and pass get bus, pass get class, pass get kursi from for call a function in this previous class. Next. Okay, in this we code apakah Anda ingin mencetak struk, iya atau tidak. If iya, user will choose case 1, and in this case user will choose berapa struk yang ingin dicetak. Sorry, I will use bahasa Indonesian language. Jika user tidak punya kembalian, maka code-nya akan Anda tidak mempunyai kembalian. Jika user mempunyai kembalian, maka code-nya adalah kembalian Anda adalah sekian. Jika user memilih tidak, maka dia akan langsung ke menu akhir yang dimana akan memunculkan kata terima kasih, lalu diikuti dengan ingin melakukan transaksi lagi. Jika iya, maka user akan balik ke menu awal yang ada di awal main class. Menu awal in this main class. But if user wants to buy again, user will akan menuju ke menu ending atau ke bagian terakhir dari transaksi bis ini.
So for example, I will now run the source code. So execute and then run F10. So for example, right now I want to go to Depok, and then I want to go with the Kencana Surya bus. Let's say I'm gonna go with economy class, and then for 3 people. So this is my total, combining all of that. So like, for example, if I put the money the exact same amount, then this is what will happen. And if you click yes, this is what will happen. And for example, I press 2, and that will happen. And then next one will be, for example, I do it again, and then now I want to go to Pasar Senen, and then Tayo Biru for business class, for maybe let's say 5 people, and then I put my money more than the amount that was required, and then this is what happened. For example, I press no, that will happen. So for example, I choose something that is outside the range. So like this part only have one through 4 options. If I press 5, it will go there again. For example, if I
Again.
press 1, it can accept it. So
If customer the wrong option, it will repeat until the customer right option. The correct option.
Please, next until amount. Yes. If user put more money more than total, like this. Yes. And user choose number 1. So in user stroke, there is a so there's a display kembalian Anda 5.000 because user get kembalian. Next. Yes.
So as you can see, this is what happened in our source code. Is there anything to add, Deano or Rafly?
Yes, I think this is end of our presentation.
Yes, this is our project. So just in case if you have any questions, you can either put it in the comments or you can actually ask directly to us. So this is all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.